Today, we're turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. Let's begin now. Can you guess what this is for? This is our little magic tool. This little silicone mold is the secret to our beautiful creation. Start by cutting 200 grams of unsalted butter into small cubes. Let it soften at room temperature until creamy and smooth. No microwave, just patience. Add 1 teaspoon of Fleur de Sel, about 4 to 5 grams. This sea salt gives a gentle crunch and a refined, salty note. Fold it in slowly. Texture matters. Mix with care, no rush. Now, our secret tool, the silicone mold. Scoop the butter in, bit by bit. Make sure every shape is filled. Tap gently to remove air bubbles. That way the design stays sharp. Once filled, close or cover the mold. The butter sets beautifully when it's cold. Let it chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Now comes the magic. Every tiny detail is visible. Gently remove the butter shapes from the mold. So satisfying. They look like little sculptures. Time to serve. Presentation is everything. Place the butter gently in a vintage shell or a silver dish. It's the little touches that make your table unforgettable. They're perfect for brunch, dinner parties, or just making your daily bread feel special. To store, place the pieces in a container and keep them in the fridge until serving. At Maison Ateeq, we celebrate beauty and simplicity. We find inspiration in vintage design and timeless rituals. If you love the elegance of the past with a modern soul, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more ideas, recipes, and moments of beauty. Thanks for watching.